Hey folks, Grant over here at local Cooling Farms. We're giving one of the big soldier fly for the first time. We have been feeding all the soldier fly to the pullets in the brooder, but now that the bins are really cranking, we've got enough to actually start bringing out to the layer group. So they've been out on pasture. We've had these birds for about a month, so they've definitely seen insects. So it's not like the first time they've seen little squiggly things. Okay, there's a taker. We sold one. And then from the weight of the bucket, it's a couple pounds of soldier fly.